वेलकम टू इंग्लिश ओडिया स्पीक। आज आम इंग्लिश ओडिया ट्रांसलेशन प्रैक्टिस करवा। चलो स्टार्ट करवा। चलो यह करवा। लेट्स डू इट। लेट्स डू इट। सबु समय रे। ऑल द टाइम। ऑल द टाइम। केउ समय रे। At what time? At what time? समय केते होईची? What's the time? What's the time? एबे 11टा बाजिची। It's 11 o'clock now. It's 11 o'clock now. काहा कथा सुननी? Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. आमो गाँ को आस। Come to our village. Come to our village. आमो ठारू दूरे रे रुह। Stay away from us. Stay away from us. तुम सीमा अतिक्रम करनी। Don't cross your limit. Don't cross your limit. मते प्रिया डाकनी। Don't call me प्रिया। Don't call me प्रिया। केउठारे रहिबो? Where to stay? Where to stay? तुमे आमो घरे रुह। You stay in our home. You stay in our home. घर को सफा कर। Clean the house. Clean the house. समस्तंग ठारू दूरे रुहंतु। Stay away from everyone. Stay away from everyone. समस्तंकु कुहनी। Don't tell everyone. Don't tell everyone. मु पचारिबाकु भूलीगली। I forgot to ask. I forgot to ask. आमको एकुड़िया छाड़ी दियो। Leave us alone. Leave us alone. मुहामुही कथा हुअन्तु। Talk face to face. Talk face to face. मो मन भल नाही। I am in bad mood. I am in bad mood. सबु किछि ठीक अछि कि? It's everything okay? It's everything okay? किछि भल नाही। Nothing is good. Nothing is good. मो ठारू लुचाओ नाही। Don't hide for me. Don't hide for me. तुमे काहेकि मिछ कहुछ? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? मु तुमको भल भाबरे जाने। I know you very well. I know you very well. तुमे कहिबा पूर्वरु भाब। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. एहाकु तुम सहित रख। Keep it with you. Keep it with you. मते रगाओनी। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. कहिबाकु मोर अधिकार अछि। I have the right to speak. I have the right to speak. मोर भी सही समस्या। I have the same problem. I have the same problem. मते विरक्त करनी। Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. तुमे केही नुह। You are nobody. You are nobody. आपण आम सहित जोगाजोग करि पारिबे। You can contact with us. You can contact with us. मु बहुत चेष्टा कली। I tried a lost. I tried a lost. ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ କିଏ? Who am I to say? Who am I to say? Thanks for watching.